Beautiful luxury large one bedroom in Flushing. This is entrance. It's the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. On the right is a big closet, coat closet. On the left another closet, also a big closet. L-shaped living room. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space, all stainless steel appliances. Comes with a microwave and a dishwasher. Beautiful floors. It's good with the dining area for the kitchen. Still linen closet here. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Comes with a double door closet. Bathroom luxury renovation, got renovated, beautiful tiles, very clean, beautiful floors. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, half a block from the 7 train. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.